What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to complete Paperweights. This is for Black Mous. We need to find and extract the Shadow Company's deal documents, find and extract the Shadow Company hard drive, and find and extract the Shadow Company letter. You'll find all of these on Al Mazrah, nearby the Satik Cave complex. Zooming in on the map here, just to the southwest of the center in D5 in the Satik Cave complex, this is where we need to travel. All of our items that we're looking for are located roundabouts here near this bend in the pipeline. If we were to follow this road here, where it bends down, comes back up, and head directly up this hill here, we'll find a crashed plane. If we simply head across here, on top of the box, you'll find the Shadow Company letter. This is the first of 3 items. Now from here, we can also see the second item, and that's located nearby this parachute on this little bit of cargo here. In order to get there, we need to climb up either this ladder or that ladder there. Doesn't really matter. I'll climb up the ladder on the right side here. So, climbing up here, up the ladder, at the very top here, head across to the right, to the parachute, down here, and we can just drop onto this. Over here, we can find the Shadow Company hard drive. Awesome. Now the last one you'll find located roughly over there. We can already see the crate. There are a few AI around here that do like to come around the corner, so just keep your eyes peeled when you come here. It's that crate at the very top. So we'll head up the hill here to roughly this location, just above where the ammo box is. And when we get here, you'll find that on top of this big box is another document. This is the Shadow Company deal documents. Anyways, with that, all we need to do is extract. So find the closest extract, or of course complete a hostage rescue mission. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. So thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.